How to remove black bars in Capcut. In order to remove black bars in Capcut, what you need is adjust the project aspect ratio. So for that, you just want to open the Capcut app onto your device. Then you want to go to the existing file, or you could just go ahead and open up a new project as well if you want to. So let's say this is the particular project, right? Now, if you want to change the ratio, you just want to tap the timeline first thing first. There, you just want to make sure to go ahead and select adjust first of all. You could also see other preset. Go to the timeline once again, and here it is actually ratio. You just want to go to the ratio section from the bottom of the bar. You could go to auto reframe, and this is how you're supposed to change the ratio. And likewise, you could this is one way of removing your ratio, or this is how you will be able to remove black bar in Capcut. If that's not the case, what you could also do is you could also use the crop button in order to fit it, and this way as well you are supposed to remove black bar in Capcut. With that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.